Amazon rainforest. Also referred to as the Earth's lungs, South America's Amazon rainforest stretches over 9 countries. Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest, known for its abundance of biodiversity, with around 10% of all the world's species living here. While the Amazon River, the largest river by water discharge in the world, covers most of the Amazon rainforest, it actually spreads through thousands of other rivers. The rivers and the jungle with entire areas where no human has ever set foot on, the Amazon rainforest